Close, close, close. Hey. Way to go, Jared. Now we need to get around. Hey, can you guys suppress? I'm gonna try and get in here. All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, do you guys want to move to the next building?
So they're in the building right in front of you. That's people.
Oh, they're in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Right, the other side of this wall is Hebet Sport, and there's at least 3 guys in there.
So one frag technically should
They're
kill them
tugging
all.
in the back.
Oh.
So.
Well.
Oh, there goes Ty. They're going in. They're going in.
Hit.
No, it's in the store. It's in the store.
Right, but they're just gonna.
Doesn't matter. Pin them into Sears, damn it.
Alright, we're gonna take Sears. Put them back in their phone. Yeah, I was saying we need the gold brick. Oh, I didn't see it. We need that gold brick after. Somebody's gotta grab it.
Hey, is that cocaine on the ground right there? We're crossing! Crossing!
Oh, well, I just got it.
Oh yeah, flex for me, baby.
Hey, get them!
Go! Go, 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 go!
This is where we're sitting right here.
The woman in pink, there's a guy over there. Right through here. Right in that. Yeah,
You're good.
That's a fucking good spot, bro. Oh, fuck. I can see.
Jared, what are you doing? Oh, what the fuck? I just got hit. Something like that.
Hey guys, the accessory store where the black tarp is their stash house. They're not going to want to get that.
Hey buddy, I'm gonna cross you.
Go, 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 go!
Here's
yeah.
inside the sports area.
Yeah, sports and
Yeah.
oh, I see Nick. Okay. Yo. I got his hand. Jared, close, close, close. Hey!
Fire! Fire! Oh, I shouldn't fire. Hold on. Stop it out!
Dale, can you res me?
Yeah, come here. Get inside. Get inside.
Way to go, Jared.
Fire's out, or what? Back in here?
Right here. Evacuate anyways when that alarm goes off, right?
Alright, somebody let a ref know that it was in here.
Ref!
Ref!
You good? All right, somehow I'm gonna grab you and pull you in, okay? You just get ready to stand up and run, okay? Are you gonna get cover? All right, and covering park. Oh! Get hit? Yeah, I got hit.
Good.
Go, brother.
Anything?
I saw one cross to the left, then one over here.
Oh, this is a terrible start.
Perfect, thank you, I need you. We pushed up this corner, I took it. There's a couple of us, we took it, but we're on the other side, come this way. It's a better angle.
Got one.
If only we had a frag.
Yep. Stand behind.
It seems like they were watching the left. What's that? Hey, that door, they open that door all the time. Watch that.
Yeah. Can you cover this that door right there?
Stand behind.
Leave this out.
Stand
You
behind,
can cover the door,
stand
you can
behind.
inside.
They just threw a grenade in that room. Stand behind, look room to the left.
Stand behind. Grenade, grenade!
Cartel behind.
Dude, we're trapped in the back like little rats.
Grenade, grenade, grenade!
Where did that go? You gonna leave us?
Oh,
Oh my
shit.
God, they're gonna push us back. We're gonna die!
Is there another way to get...
Dude, this is a horrible idea. This is literally the worst idea.
Damn, bro, I left my gun across the fucking room. So I was like, I have a nade or I have a pistol. Let's go for it. Like, nobody else came. No. We had like one thing. No, only two that came in here. I'm like, shit, where's everybody going? Yeah, where's everybody going?
Fuck. Team friendly!
Yeah, hey, we're trapped in the nade.
Hit!
That was a grenade. I think. I'll cover this for you.
Same team!
Go. In. Two 4-punch across on the left.
Bodies at Knox. Is that what we're doing?
Maybe. Our guys are all right, too.
Our guys are.
Well, so
Oh, hit! I thought you guys said it was clear. Oh god.
Cartel?
yes, he's cartel.
I just blocked this with my gun for you.
That guy's fucking cartel.
Cartel!
Ugh.
Who's it?
I am.
I got you.
Those are cartel guys, Garrett.
Thank you. Huh?
Next one matters.
See a bag. Oh, is that their spawn? What is that?
That's their spawn.
It's payback for the 40 times I've done it.
Oh, there's got to be loot in here.
Dude, we can do this, bro. It's easy. Yeah.
How the fuck did I make that? Okay. I think I got him. Just threw it on his front side.
They just
Yeah.
don't take it too far open. Don't take it too far open.
Hold it there, hold it there.
I guess that's it. Crack it and you shoot.
Yeah.
Close up. Run through it. Get closer to the door frame. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hit!
Hit! Alright, where'd my third rag go? Oh, I got it. Alright, hit!
I'm dead too.
Yeah, we dead, we dead.
GG's.
I don't know. Oh no, that's a lot of dead. Damn, all the way, buddy.
Oh!
Give it a small burst.
Yes.
Yeah, just shoot that way. If you turn on the light, you can actually see your. Yeah, why aren't you getting your 6 beer NWS?
I am literally chair softing right now.
Alright, let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Go, dude.
Wait, you have a flashing light on your hat?
Yeah.
Advanced technology.
Oh, your light's on, by the way. Your helmet. I know. I'm communicating sexually with a tan player.
Go.
I'm above. Get ready, get ready. We're getting ready to go. 1, go, 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 go.
Jeremy, cover for me.
Yeah, where you,
Give me just like just straight down, straight down.
where are you going?
Use your flashlight too.
Where you going? Where you going?
Go grab the money right here.
Behind Jack?
Yeah, the money's sitting right here. See on the front?
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, but basically
Ready?
we're shooting this way.
Ready? Call me. Count it in and count it in.
I'm gonna grab it and then come back.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Down, cow. Ready?
Thank you, sir.
All right. Kyle, I'm going. I'll see you over there.
Thanks, man.
Hell yeah.
Same spot. I'll put this over there.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Sean, I'm gonna roll this. Oh, fuck.
Oh, Jack. Shit.
Holy shit, it's a Spartan.
3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 Cow, go. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Jeremy, if you have a flashlight, shine it at that light because it intimidates them from peeking out.
Okay. I mean, I think that's just a flashlight though, right?
Yeah, it's just a flashlight, but there's a guy that keeps like peeking that one.
Okay, hold on, hold on. I have the perfect tool for this job.
They're definitely in there. Or at least
All right, I'm posted up. I am literally chair softing right now. Oh!
You motherfucker!
I'm a sneaky snack.
Sneaky bastard.
Hit! And that's it. Oh shit!
Okay, down to the floor. Down to the floor.
I'm going.
All right, I'm going to.
Ready? Suppress?
Ready?
Adrian, where are you guys going? All right, I got you, I got you. Oh shit, oh shit. Go, 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 go.
I think we're going right.
Yo, we need to flank them from both sides.
Can we just like slowly go down the hallway? Alright, Jack. The problem is they're watching through the gaps on the side, so they're reading. So they're in the side. Yeah, because I only saw two outside. I was right up on the door and there's like six. selfies with the cadre.
We need people on this inside corner too.
Alright, this is clear.
Hey, wait, that back door is usually open. That back door is usually open.
Yep, yep. I'll cover your side. I'll cover your side. Lights off, lights off. If we're gonna go in.
Dan, you got it? All right. All right, it's clear.
It shoots faster than my gun on auto.
Grenade!
Ooh, Steve.
We're about to get fragged, dude.
Can we shoot him before we can get fragged?
Yeah. But I'm just scared to sit here because we're just gonna get killed. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I can't wait to get shot in the side from my teammates. I'm worried about this one right here. Oh, that was close.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna call that focus.
That was right here on the other side, dude.
That's good.